Hello friend, how are you? Welcome here on this channel. In this video, I bring you the step-by-step rectangular table runner. It is easy to make. I will give you tip on how to make it in other size, both longer. I hope you can watching this video until the end. If you still watch it until the end, if you have any question, then you can leave them here in the comment. I hope you like it. This one measure 21-inch long. And 19-inch width. I used 180G yarn to make this runner. I worked thick thread and 3mm needle. So let's get started. Let's make a looper here, and you will make a 66 chains. Let's make some loose chains. I make the total 66 chain. Here, if you want to increase more the width, you will increase 4 chain. If you want it decrease the width, in the same way decrease 4 chains. In the end of chain, yarn over and we will count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in chain number, and make first double crochet in next chain. So here I start by making a space. In the next 2 chain, make also 2 double crochet. I make sequence of 3 double crochet. Next step, make chain 1. Skip chain 1 and make sequence of 3 double crochet. 3 double crochet plus chain 1 pattern use until the end of chain. Here at the end, we have to make 1 space like we did here at the beginning, so here. Row 1 complete. Now let's start row 2. Chain 3, turn the pattern. And make 2 double crochet in previous row space. Like this. Chain 1, let's go here to the next space and make 3 double crochet. Chain 1 plus 3 double crochet. Follow the pattern until the end of row. Or arriving here in the last space, I did 3 double crochet inside from the space. Finish the second row. Make chain 5 and turn the pattern. Make 3 double crochet in next space. Follow the previous row pattern in the row. Here, then the third row. So guys, we'll continue like this for the entire length of the base. Here the number of row here on the base you will make according to the size you want your runner. The only requirement is that the number of rows has to be odd for the first row here. The last row also to be the same as it starts with a space and ends with a space. We stated with a space and ends with a space. The last row also has to be the same as it starts with a space and ends with a space. So the number of row has to be an odd number. I make 35 row, remembering if you increase the base, you can make more row as long as it is odd number. After make all the base, we're going to start working circular row. In this same space, I'm going to turn here to this large side. Within the first space, here I'm going to yarn over and insert the needle in the space and pull the loop here and make first half double crochet. I'm going to do 2 more double crochet, thus creating a block of 3 double crochet. Chain 1, make block of 3 double crochet in next space. Here we follow the same pattern until the next space. In the next corner space, I make 3 double crochet. Chain 2 and turn the pattern small side. Also make 3 double crochet, insert the same space. In this corner, I make 3 block of 3 double crochet and chain 2 and 3 block of double crochet. Chain 1 and make 3 block of double crochet. In the next space. In this next 2 corner, I also follow the same pattern for previous corner. 3 double crochet plus chain, 2 plus 3 double crochet. When I reach the start space, so I make 3 double crochet in this space. 1, 2, 3. Now I make half double crochet between block of 3 double crochet like this. Yarn over and pull the loop in the first stitch now. Here 3 loop, I'm going to crochet and I'm going to remove 3 loop. I'm not going to do the 2 chain because I already want to stop here in the middle. Put the loop inside the space. I'm going to do my first double crochet here inside the same space. I'm going to one more double crochet inside the space. I will do a double crochet on top of each double crochet here of there 3. So I am left here with sequence of 5 double crochet. Here chain top of chain. Here on top of the double crochet, and we will make double crochet on top of each double crochet. I working here the whole side double crochet to top of double crochet and chain to top of chain. In this round we will work like this. I follow the same pattern until the next corner. Here on top of the double crochet, and we will make double crochet on top of each double crochet. Here in this space, I'm going to do 2 more double crochet. Here I go to make 2 chain, and turn the word here dot. In the same space, I will make 2 more double crochet. Here on top of the double crochet, and we will make double crochet on top of each double crochet. Living here with a total 5 double crochet. I working here the whole side double crochet to top of double crochet and chain to top of chain. Like this. In this next 2 corner, I also follow the same pattern for previous corner. Now I reach the first corner. Here on top of the double crochet, and we will make double crochet on top of each double crochet. I will make 2 more double crochet in the space. Chain 2 and attach the skip stitch with first double crochet. Now this round is complete. Next, I use green color.